was unusual sound while the takeoff itself, and we thought that after it took off from after some time, we thought maybe it's normal. First we thought it is unusual, then we didn't know what was happening. After some time we heard that there was some problem in the runway. And at around 10, since we were watching the movie, we didn't know the seriousness of the problem. At around 10:45, we came to know that yes, it was going back. After some time, around 12, mostly twice or thrice, they tried to land off. But at the final, those 3 hours, it was very extremely difficult for us, and we had lost hopes because and they gave instructions also like how to use. The crew members were very good and they guided us very well, like how to use what are the precautions that to be taken.
On board everything was started well, it took on time, but when it was on ground about to take off, we heard a big sound. So that time we knew some problem was there, and there was a huge shake in the flight, and on the right hand side the oxygen mask started falling down also. And after 10 minutes the pilot announced that there is some problem in the gear and the tire, and they will be landing back at Kuala Lumpur. He tried to land once after half an hour, but I think the gear didn't come out, so again he took off. He came very close to landing, again he took off, and there was continuous communication from the captain. He said he has to fly for another few hours to burn the fuel, because in case of emergency landing there might be fire, so he has to burn the fuel. And second time he said he will try to do a mock landing so that the airport authorities also can see the flight and tell him like whether it is safe to land or not. So after that third time, luckily he landed very safely. Nobody panicked, everyone was calm, everyone was observing the instructions given by the crew members. And that's also a great positive thing, I think, which has helped the pilot to focus on the landing. It can happen to any airlines because it's a technical, it's a mechanical part. It can happen to any airline, that's what I feel. They would have done their best or whatever. I don't think only because of these reasons Malaysian airline can be considered bad, because a lot of other airlines also would have had technical problems in the earlier past.
Kita pun takut, semua orang pun takut. Jadi kita tak boleh apa, rasanya ya, itu sudah tak boleh kita ungkapkan dengan kata-kata karena takutnya. Selamat mendarat itu semua orang berteriak, well done, good job, hore, semua itu ya berdoa dengan apa agama kita itu semua masing-masing kan kita berdoa macam itu, tapi kita memang berteriak, ketawa, nangis, kita rangkul, tak tahu siapapun itu. Peranan kru is okay, expand, you don't be worry, whatever you know, like objek tajam, pensel, pen itu semua harus diasingkan, kita tunjukkan arah itu, nanti kita harus macam ini semua sudah itu, kita tak panik betul, tapi ya oke, alhamdulillah kita landas dengan itu selamat.